Hello there, welcome to episode 48 of the Daily Shed. And today I'm going to be talking about tremolo, and not the tremolo like as in tremolo bar that you find on your Strat or whatever. I'm talking about a 3-note tremolo. So that's what it is. It's from the classical and flamenco worlds, and you're just picking one note over and over again, using generally 3 fingers. And you can go either index, middle, ring, or ring, middle, index. Either way, it doesn't really matter. But it's a great exercise, even if you don't find yourself ever needing to use this exact technique in a song. It's great, for one thing, to get your ring finger involved. I know some people that don't use the ring finger at all, and this is a great way to start to use that a little bit and to work on the strength and coordination between your fingers. Because the idea here is just to play the notes in a row and get them as even and as smooth as you can. Have the same volume, the same attack. And slowly you'll increase the speed. But speed's not really the point of it. I mean, it is if you want to play certain classical pieces, but it's really about just trying to get it really even and getting especially your ring involved if that's been sort of neglected. One thing that I like to do is to play, even though it's 3 notes, play them in groups of 4 and change the accent. Because what that does, it allows you to focus more on that accented note and make sure that the notes have the same quality. So like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. You're focusing on that accented note and try to have the other ones just evenly, of even strength. You find that really helps with that, rather than sometimes it's easy for this to sound just in groups of 3. But to smooth it out, think of it in groups of 4. And you'll find as you go that because of the way the pattern falls, the accent falls on the next finger each time. So index, 2, 3, 4, middle, 2, 3, 4, ring, 2, 3, 4, index, 2, 3, 4, like that. So again, just go through that again and you start very, very slow. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and accent that 4th note. And just gradually increase your speed as you're able to keep it smooth. And right now I'm resting my thumb on the B string. You can do that. Or, you know, normally in a song you'd play it free like this. Like that. But it's fine to rest your finger. I would not rest your finger on your rested pinky on the guitar. If you're doing that, this is an occasion to pick it up and try to get used to this. Instead, use your thumb as an anchor, whether it's on the low string or on the B string. Yep, and just work on that, just get that as even as possible. Find that it'll really help your technique, your strength and coordination. So I hope this is useful to you. Let me know any questions or comments you may have. All right, thanks for watching.